All right, let's go through this check for understanding. If you're joining us late and you missed it, we're going to talk through it here. So for this step of the problem, we are starting with $619.99. They already did $899, the actual original price, minus saving $280, so minus $280 to get that original price of $619.99. So our discount that we're dealing with is saving 25%. So when I'm setting up my proportion, my original price at this step of the problem is my whole. So as in what I'm starting with before the 25% discount, which is going to be $619.99. My part will be X because I'm trying to find the price after the discount. And then I'm going to put 100 in the denominator over here. And because it says we're saving 25%, that means we're paying 25% less. So we're doing 100% minus 75%. Oop, not minus 75, minus 25% to get 75%. So that is our percent that we're going to put here. Then we're going to solve this by cross multiplying and dividing X times 100 and 75 times $619.99. X times 100, 100X, and then using a calculator to do 75 times $619.99. Working on it because my phone is being slow. There we go. 75 times $619.99 gives me $46,499.25. But we're not done because we need to solve to get that X completely by itself. X is being multiplied by 100, so we're going to divide both sides by 100. On the left-hand side, that leaves us with just X. And on the right-hand side, that leaves us with 464 and then the decimal 0.9925. Since we're dealing with money, we know we want to round to 2 decimal places. And looking at the digit after that is a 2, means we're rounding down because it's less than 5. So this 9 in front of that is not going to change. So our final price after the 25% discount is just going to be $464.99. Then calculating our sales tax, because sales tax comes after, and we do have to do it as a separate step of the problem, where we can't just do 75% plus 5% is 80 and then do that in the step before. It will not give us the same answer. So setting up a proportion, our whole, as in what we are starting this step of the problem with, is our answer to the previous part, $464.99. We're trying to find the price after the sales tax. So that's X, our part. Our percent, we need to figure that out. So it's out of 100. Remember, we're starting with a fresh new whole, which means we're starting with a fresh new 100%. So that means we're going to do 100% plus 5% because it's 5% extra that we have to pay to get 105 is going to be our percent in this problem. We're going to solve by cross multiplying and dividing. So we're going to do 100 times X and 105 times $464.99. X times 100 is 100X. And then calculating out 105 times $464.99 gives us $48,823.95. X is being multiplied by 100, so we divide by 100 to leave X isolated by itself on the left-hand side. So we have X equals dividing by 100 gives us $488, and then the decimal 0.2395. Money means we're rounding to 2 decimal places. Looking at that digit after the decimal, or rather after where we're trying to end our decimal, is a 9. 9 is 5 or more, which means we're going to round up. So that means that this 3 right here isn't going to stay a 3. It's going to round up to become a 4. So our final price that we're paying in this problem is $488.24.